YouTube, what's up? Hey, this is my last tutorial video for quite a while. It'll be my third tutorial video. This one is not anime related, but it's going to be more of a self-sufficiency and ecological video. So if you're concerned with the environment, you're really going to like this video. With the government shutdown, with China no longer taking recyclable materials, it's becoming harder and harder to recycle and to be a concerned citizen of the planet Earth. So this tutorial will teach you how to recycle from start to finish on your own. So first, we're of course going to need to find some recyclable material. I have some boxes here, but they are currently being used. I have a balloon. If I can get it. I'm out of this. Okay. I keep this as an inspiration to myself every day. It says, "You are out of this world," and that's how I remind myself. So first, you're gonna want to take any excess material
from the video and from the balloon. Any air, you want to squeeze it out. This was a helium. This is a helium balloon. I'm going to take it and I'm going to float it, and I want to get it very flat. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to go outside.
You want to ride your eco-friendly bike somewhere that you can recycle the material. Somewhere good. It can't be anywhere. It has to be a particular place. And aesthetically I like it, but it's not an appropriate use of an inspirational balloon. So I found another good use. This paper towel roll for dogs is out. So I'll put it here. People can then use it as a cleanup tool. But I'm gonna keep looking so that you have plenty of ideas and not just one or two. You'll have like 4 or 5 ideas for how to recycle an inspirational balloon, but maybe it'll help you understand. Oh no. Squirrel, would you like motivation? Squirrel, do you need? I think he's looking at me, so I think he does want motivation. I think he wants motivation. I think he wants motivation. So I just have to figure out how to make this squirrel. He's kind of high. He's kind of high in his tree, so I think I'll just place it at the base. And there you go. And that's wherever the squirrel is. When he comes down from his home, he'll have motivation. And that'll make him feel better to collect more nuts. Thank you. That's how you collect.